So now we will solve this problem. Okay, the problem is the beta function, beta of m comma n. So actually, beta usually it is denoted by this symbol beta, or somebody will use b. So the beta function is defined by beta of m comma n. Okay. The beta function is defined by beta of m comma n is equal to integral 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx, where m and n are greater than 0. And it is given the question integral 0 to 1 1 minus x power 10 whole power 20 into dx is equal to a into beta of b comma c, and then we need to find the value of 100 into a plus b plus c. So now we need to find the value of a, b, c. So this problem is asked in 2024, last year. uh, okay, now the idea is, so the integrand, what is the integrand here? 1 minus x power 10, okay, whole power 20. So I will take x power 10 is some t or u, you can take. So x power 10 is equal to u. Now what is x from this? From this, x is u power 1 by 10. Now what is the dx? Dx is equal to 1 by 10 into u power 1 by 10 minus 1, and then into du. So okay, dx is equal to 1 by 10 into u power 1 by 10 minus 1 into du. That is equal to 1 by 10 u power, if we take 10 is LCM, so 1 minus 10, that is minus 9 by 10 into du. Okay, now dx, this is dx value. Now what about x? The limits for x is what? Ranges from 0 to 1. So after the substitution, I am going to check what about the limits. When x is equal to 0, u is also 0. When x is equal to 1, u is also 1. So u is also goes from 0 to 1. Now this is the given integral 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 10 whole power 20 dx is equivalent to, okay, u varies from what? 0 to 1. 1 minus x power 10 is what? U whole power 20. What is dx? Dx is 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 10. Okay, you can write either this expression or you can write this expression. So I will write this expression. Okay, 1 by 10 u power 1 by 10 minus 1 into d. Now uh, okay, the next step is I'll write this 1 by 10 outside the integral 0 to 1 u power 1 by 10 minus 1. Okay, you should write like this: u power 1 by 10 minus 1. Okay, u power 1 by 10 minus 1. Actually, originally this is the meaning. Okay, and into 1 minus u whole power 20. 20 you can write what? 21 minus 1. So the reason is why I am writing like this, because we know that beta function definition. Beta function definition. Actually, this is the integral 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n minus 1. So m minus 1, n minus 1. That is the reason I am writing the power is in terms of what? In terms of minus 1. So here 1 by 10 minus 1. Okay, here what? 21 minus 1. That's why this is equal to, you can directly write 1 by 10 into beta of, this is actually m. Okay, what is m? 1 by 10. And what is n? N is 21. N is 21 here. So 1 by 10 into beta of 1 by 10 comma 21. So now So that is I explained here. That is I wrote here. Okay. So 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 10 whole power 20 into dx is equal to what? You can check it. 1 by 10 into beta of 1 by 10 comma 21. So that is it is explained here. So in step by step. Okay. And this is given the question integral 0 to 1 1 minus x power 10 whole power 20 into dx equal to what? A into beta of b comma c. Now the left hand side is same, you can check it. This is given the question, this is we got using the substitution. Okay wow. So now you can equate the right hand side. So if we equate the right hand side, what is the value of a? The value of a is 1 by 10. The value of a is 1 by 10. Okay. And the value of b is what? That is also 1 by 10. Value of b. Value of c is what? 21. So once you got the value of a, b, c, next we need to compute uh, the requested number. Okay, what is the question they are asking? 100 times a plus b plus c. Okay, 100 times a plus b plus c. Okay, now 100 times a is what? 1 by 10, b is 1 by 10, c is 20, 21. So now point, okay, you can just simplify and get the answer. So this is 21.2 into 100, that is 21 2120. So this is the final answer. Okay, thank you.